Hey everyone, if you are looking to cancel your Spotify premium subscription using your mobile device, you will need to do it through either the Spotify mobile app or the Google Play Store. Below is a step-by-step guide to help you cancel your subscription based on where you signed up. So open the Spotify app in your phone, tap on your profile icon, click on the settings and privacy, and here you will see the premium plan. View your plan here. So in this part, see if your plan is here, then click on cancel premium or cancel plan. So confirm the cancellation when prompted. Once canceled, your subscription will remain active until the next billing cycle, after which your account will revert to the free version with ads. Next, if you subscribe to the Spotify Premium through Google Play, follow these steps. Open the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now select Payments and Subscriptions. Then click on Subscriptions. Here in this page, locate Spotify Premium in the list and tap it. Then tap Cancel Subscription, then follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Once cancelled, your Spotify Premium will stay active until the end of the current billing period. So canceling Spotify Premium on mobile is straightforward whether you do it via the Spotify app or the Google Play Store. Remember, once cancelled, you will still have the premium access until your billing cycle ends, after which your account will revert to the Spotify free with ads. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.